Whether you are new to technology or looking to switch to cloud, mastering the cloud skills can open many doors and create exciting job opportunities for you. Have you ever wondered if it is possible to go from zero experience to becoming a full-fledged cloud engineer in just a few months? What if I told you that you can make this leap in just 16 weeks? Sounds impossible, right? In this video, I'm going to share a step-by-step roadmap that will turn that dream into your reality. So stick around. The market for cloud computing is projected to grow from 676 billion in 2024 to an impressive 2.2 trillion by 2032. These figures underscore the critical importance of cloud skills in today's job market, making it a lucrative and essential field for both beginners and experienced professionals. Today, we are talking about a step-by-step roadmap that will take you from a complete beginner to becoming a professional in just 4 months. This is a journey which is broken down into 6 key steps to become a cloud engineer, even if you are starting from scratch. And here is the plan. Now, you might be thinking, is it for real? Well, the answer is yes, and it is based on my experience training thousands of working professionals in my previous role at Microsoft, being a Microsoft technical trainer. You might also think I don't have the time to dedicate 16 weeks of full time to studying and practicing. Well, here is the best part. You don't need to. I will tell you how by investing just 2 to 3 hours a day, you can achieve this goal, so stay tuned. And for those who don't know me, I'm Dipanshu with over 18 years of experience in tech and cloud. I'm 35 plus times certified in Microsoft Azure with experience implementing cloud projects across AWS and GCP as well. Today, I'll be taking you through this journey from zero experience to becoming a cloud engineer. If you have ever felt overwhelmed by the vastness of cloud technology or unsure where to start, you are in the right spot. I have broken down this journey into 6 actionable stages, each designed to build your skills step by step. So let's dive into the details of how we will make this transformation happen. First, you will be guided to carefully pick a cloud using a data-driven analysis. Next, you will know how to build foundations by getting to the essential learning paths that will ground your knowledge in the cloud. Then, we will deep dive into advanced topics to solidify your expertise in cloud. In the next step, it is time to get hands-on with the practical projects to gain real-world experience. We will then close the gaps by acquiring additional skills to round out your knowledge. And finally, you will be focusing on finding the job, where I'll share tips to help you land your next role. And it will all be done over a timeline of 16 weeks or 4 months as far as learning is concerned. One last thing before we start, I want to be upfront about what it will take for you to succeed. All I need from you is your commitment, dedication, and a willingness to make some sacrifices along the way. The path to becoming a cloud engineer in just 16 weeks isn't easy, but with consistent effort and a focused mindset, you can achieve this goal. Remember, every hour you invest in learning and practicing will bring you one step closer to your new career. So stay motivated, dedicated, and you will see the results you are aiming for. So let us get going. Picking the right cloud platform is your first and crucial step in this journey. This decision is fundamental because it sets the foundation for everything you will be learning and building. The right platform can enhance your current skills, align your career goals, and support the types of projects you want to work in future. Here, there are several cloud platforms out there, but the most prominent ones are AWS, Azure, and GCP. Each has its own strength and specialization. However, I understand that making the decision can be overwhelming, especially if you're just starting out. For those looking to transition into the cloud, your choice could be based on your previous experiences and upcoming career goals. So here, to help you make an educated and informed decision, I would recommend you watching my video here where I have done an unbiased, data-driven and factual comparison between these 3 cloud providers. I have also shared how I chose my first cloud and why. Additionally, I would suggest you spend some time researching and pick one among AWS or Azure and just move on. Both are industry leaders and will provide a robust foundation for your cloud career. Remember, the key is to start and stay committed. So keep the trust that you will gain the necessary skills and knowledge along the way. Now to map it to the overall timeline, you must take a decision about which cloud to choose within your first week based on the advices given and your own research. Remember, the goal here is progress, not perfection. So choose a platform, commit to it, and let's get through this first step in this exciting journey to becoming a cloud engineer. Now that we have chosen our cloud platform, the next step is to build a solid foundation. This is absolutely critical because a strong foundation in cloud concepts ensures that you understand the core principles and services that you will be working with. Without this, it's like trying to build a house without a sturdy base. It simply won't stand the test of time. To establish this foundation, you need to first start learning the introductory courses, which is Azure Fundamentals for Microsoft or the Cloud Practitioner for Amazon Web Services. These courses are designed specifically for beginners and provide a comprehensive overview of essential cloud concepts, including core services, pricing models, security, and compliance, etc. Do note that there is no prerequisite for these courses, but a general IT background certainly helps. If you choose Microsoft Azure as your choice of cloud platform here, Microsoft Learn provides an official and comprehensive learning path to help you build your foundation. I have included the link to this learning path in the description. Additionally, Microsoft regularly conducts free Microsoft Azure Virtual Training Days, or MATD in short, which are pre-recorded broadcasted training sessions require you to register and attend the training for 2 hours over 2 days. It is absolutely free and provides you with a 50% discount voucher if you plan to get certified in Azure, which I would highly recommend. On the other hand, if you decided to go with AWS Cloud Practitioner, go through this official course available here, where you would get access to the learning material, official practice tests, and much more. I've included the link in the description box, so please explore that as well. What makes these courses so valuable is that they break down complex topics into easily digestible lessons. They not only help you understand the theory, but also give you practical insight into how these cloud platforms operate. This knowledge is crucial because it sets the stage for more advanced learning in next 2 stages that we're going to discuss. In terms of the timeline, with a commitment of 2 to 3 hours daily, it shouldn't take you more than 2 weeks to complete foundation courses, including the certification preparation and cracking the exam. Let me stress, not more than 2 weeks. Now that you have built a solid foundation in step 2, it is time to dive deeper into the cloud engineering. This is a critical step and your first major challenge as well. Staying committed, pushing beyond your comfort zones, and demonstrating your capabilities are essential at this stage. Let's take this journey together, and you have to show that you can achieve it. Here is where you start to specialize and gain more in-depth knowledge and skills about concepts like security, networking, compute, storage, monitoring, and much more. But how do you start? For those of you on the Azure path, AZ-104 or Microsoft Azure Administrator course is a perfect next step. It builds upon your Azure Cloud fundamental knowledge and goes deeper into more technical concepts to progress you from a beginner to the associate level. If you're looking for a comprehensive guide to understand all about Azure certifications and about beginner, associate, and expert levels, and as well as their complexities, I highly recommend watching my another video where I provide a complete Azure certification roadmap. Now, on the other hand, if you have chosen AWS, aim for AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate certification. This course covers essential topics such as designing resilient architecture, high-performing solutions, and secure applications, along with cost-optimized practices. To prepare effectively, refer to the official learning material from AWS, found here on this page. And I'm including the link to this page in the description box. Alright, now that you have built a solid foundation and dived deep into the core concepts, it is time to get hands dirty. Doing practical cloud projects on top of learning and certifications is absolutely essential. While certifications can set you apart from the crowd, they alone can't help you land competitive jobs. Why? Because real-world experience not only reinforces what you have learned, but also demonstrates your ability to apply these skills in practical settings. This is what employers are looking for. Here, for those following the Azure path, I recommend that you at least go through 5 projects which are available on the GitHub repository here. And I'll put the link in the description box. These projects use a mix of cloud services that you have learned in AZ-104 and give you valuable experience in implementing something real. On the other hand, if you are on AWS Solutions Architect Associate track, use the AWS Hands-on Labs, which offer structured and guided practical experience to start with. Additionally, if you're willing to spend some money, I'm sharing another spot where you can purchase 5 hands-on projects built around AWS suite of technologies. So go ahead and take a look at that. For more advanced projects and hands-on, GitHub as well is a fantastic resource. Now in terms of the timeline, set aside 2 weeks for these cloud projects and hands-on tutorials. Alright, now that you have built a solid foundation, dived deep into cloud concepts and gained hands-on experience, it is time to fill the gaps. As a cloud engineer, there are several additional skills that make you a well-rounded professional and significantly enhance your employability. First, understanding infrastructure as code is crucial. Tools like Terraform allow you to manage your cloud infrastructure with code, making deployment consistent and repeatable. Next, proficiency with Azure CLI and AWS CLI is essential for automating cloud tasks and managing resources efficiently from the command line. Another critical area is continuous integration and continuous deployment. So familiarize yourself with the tools like Jenkins, GitHub Actions, or Azure DevOps pipelines. These skills will help you streamline the software development lifecycle, enabling faster and more reliable deployments. By acquiring these additional skills, you will round out your knowledge and be better prepared to tackle complex cloud challenges. It is not just about knowing the core services, but also about mastering the tools and practices that make you an effective cloud engineer. And by filling these gaps, you will enhance your capabilities and ensure you are ready for any cloud engineering role in the market. So stay curious, keep learning, and you will excel in the ever-evolving cloud landscape. Alright, we have made it to the final stage. Now that you have built a solid foundation, dive deep into cloud concepts, gained hands-on experience, and filled in the gaps with essential skills, it is time to land that perfect cloud engineering role. I would recommend that you start by exploring job boards like LinkedIn, Indeed, and Glassdoor. These platforms are fantastic for finding cloud engineering positions that match your skill set. Don't forget to check out company-specific career pages and cloud provider job boards such as AWS Careers and Microsoft Careers. Next, you need to look at your resume. When it comes to your resume, tailor it to highlight your cloud expertise. Showcase your certifications, hands-on projects, and any additional skills that you have acquired. Use keywords from the job descriptions to ensure that your resume passes through applicant tracking system. Thirdly, networking is equally important. Join cloud computing groups on LinkedIn, attend virtual meetings, and participate in cloud-related forums and communities. Engaging with professionals in the field can lead to job opportunities and provide valuable insights as well. Additionally, also leverage your existing network. Let people know that you are looking for a cloud engineering role and ask for referrals. Sometimes a personal recommendation can make all the difference. And here is a bonus. I'm here to help you. If you have any questions or need guidance, feel free to reach out to me through this channel. I'm available for quick discussions to help you navigate your job search. Remember, persistence is key. So keep applying, keep learning, and keep networking. Your dream job as a cloud engineer is within reach. And there you have it. We have covered the comprehensive 6-step program to help you become a cloud engineer. I hope you found the content helpful, and thanks for joining me on this journey. Keep pushing forward, and soon you will be thriving in the exciting world of cloud computing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content. Good luck, and I'll see you the next time.